This is a 2001 Corvette. I'm gonna be changing this combination switch because there's a problem with the parking lights not coming on. I've checked fuse 6 in this fuse box here, which is the 10 amp fuse that I'm zooming in on right there. Fuse is good, all the bulbs are good. And I can trigger the relay with the scan tool to make the parking lights come on, but it doesn't work when you use the switch. So in order to get to the switch, you have to take this Torx out here just to get this cover off. I'm gonna angle this down and try to get the top piece out. There we go. Bottom piece is a little tricky. Let's see if I can angle it out. There we go. Everything flexes just enough for me to walk this thing out. Here's the switch. It looks like it's also held in with the Torx. So let me get something to rip that out. So I've got a 1/4 inch ratcheting wrench here and a T20 Torx bit. So I've got the 2 Torx screws. I think I'm gonna drop this down. Get to the bolts through here. All right, so now I can trace this back. Some sort of reusable tie here. This just fell out. Here's the connector. To unplug it, you just push that tab down and it will come right out. There's also another smaller connector right here. To get this out, you just push on this tab up here. That's it. Installation is pretty much reverse of removal. I'm gonna hook this back up and test it, make sure it works. And when it does, I'll just throw everything back up the way it was and it should be good to go. Got the new switch in and everything's working great.